So hey powerful people, today we are going to create this amazing backlit wall art. So the things we need to create this amazing backlit wall art will be wooden letters. You can use any font of wooden letters. These are the one which I found at Walmart. And here you can see that I have done some improvisation. I am using a V because I couldn't find an A. So let your imagination free. The other thing which we need will be Jenga, which I got from Dollar Tree for $1. Twinkle lights, which I bought on Amazon for $4. This will be used to give that amazing backlit effect to our letters. This is the one which has 50 LEDs in it. Glue gun. This is an amazing tool for doing some fast fixes. And super glue. This is another fast fixing tool which I use. We'll need some spray pen to color the letters to give a nice contrast with the lights. Here I'm going to use a USB power supply. It is better you use a USB power supply than using batteries all the time. So for this you can watch my video on connecting a USB power supply to a circuit. So moving on to the part of coloring the letters. Here I'm going to use a black spray paint to color the letters. So now fast forwarding to the part where I'm done coloring the letters. But before that, let's play a soothing videos for our viewers. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are done coloring the letters. And what is this doing here? Sorry, it is a part of some other project. This looks nice, right? But we'll make it look even better. Now let's take our twinkle lights. It has 50 LEDs. It comes with a remote and you can control the brightness with it. Now let's try it in the dark. So we'll move on to the part of attaching the twinkle lights to the back of the letters. So fast forwarding through this process, you will see that this process is a time consuming process, but the result which you will get, you will be amazed with those results. Now we are going to see the assembly which we will use to hang the letters on the wall. I got some extra things. This is a wooden strip which I got from Walmart, and also this wooden cylinder which is 3 by 8 in diameter, which goes onto the back of the letters, which goes onto the wooden strip, which goes onto the wall. So here I will be using a 3 by 8 inch drill bit. We will drill a hole at the center where we think the weight is concentrated for the letters, and this hole won't go through and through. We have to drill a hole which is enough to insert the wooden cylinder in it, so be careful with this process. Try inserting the wooden cylinder in the letter. So now I'm going to show you a simple trick which you can use to make holes into the letters. So the masking tape, once you reach this masking point, you can stop drilling. So you don't have to worry about how deep the hole will go when you're drilling a hole into the letters. Once you reach the masking point, you can just stop. So now let's try out what we have done. And it works perfectly. Now let's move on to the wooden strip which we will use to hang onto the wall. So on this one you have to drill a hole which goes through and through so that we can insert the wooden cylinder into it directly. Now moving on to the part where we will assemble all these things. To hang the wooden strip onto the wall, we will screw this into the wall. Now I will fast forward the assembly process for all the letters. After screwing this onto the wall, this is the final product which we get. Now let's see it in action. This looks great in the daylight too. And in the night it is just amazing. So friends, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. So if you have some amazing ideas like this, you can share it in the comment section. I'll make sure that I implement this on my channel. So see you next time guys. And before that, remember, if it is wonderful, it's powerful.